Welcome to the Scrile Stream demo site. We're about to show you how easily and quickly you can use our live video platform. Let's start with the top panel. Your logo on the left for branding, as well as a convenient search and filter bar. On the right, key actions, go live for performers, log in, and register for your clients. All standard and necessary elements. Notice the flexible categories menu. This is a key element allowing clients to quickly find content by interest. You can easily customize these categories to your niche. This is the centerpiece of the homepage, the showcase for your performers. Attractive previews that encourage clicks. These can be avatars or a small live shot if a broadcast is active. And at the bottom, the full set of necessary legal and service information. From links to performer login and studios, to the refund policy and terms and conditions. We've covered all standard requirements. Your platform will comply with all regulations. Registration is simple and fast. The user only needs to enter username, password, email, select gender, and accept the terms and conditions. Note the option for registration via Google. This is a social login add-on that allows clients to register in one click, significantly boosting conversion. For authorization, the client only needs to enter username and password. For demonstration convenience, we provide demo credentials. Login, test, password, test. And of course, social login via Google is also available here. If a client forgets their password, they can easily restore it by clicking here. The authorized customer gains access to the full functionality of the site. Let's start with the personal profile. The client can easily update their personal details and change their password. Here displays the current credit balance. And an important feature, the referral program. Clients receive a percentage of spending from friends they refer, stimulating organic growth of your base. Account top-up is simple and flexible. The system supports various payment methods and allow you to set up different credit packages, including bonuses. A complete promo code system is built in, which you can use for marketing campaigns and attracting new clients. Complete transparency for the client. The account history page displays all transactions, deposit, tips, group or private chat spending, fan club payments, and even chargebacks. The client always knows where their funds went. In the My Content section, clients see all the content they've purchased, paid videos, paid photos, and fan clubs purchases. Clients can communicate with performers directly through the messaging system. This creates a stronger connection and retains the client on the platform. This is the performer's profile. Here your client will find all necessary information: name, age, country, and most importantly, detailed information in the Appearance tab. Beyond basic information, the performer can post public or private photos, videos, receive comments, and announce future shows. Even when the performer is offline, clients can book a private date or send a message or tip, encouraging the performer to go live or interact. These are powerful monetization tools. When the performer is online, the client enters the chat. Note the clean, functional interface. Here, we see the main focus: monetization. The chat can be marked as private with a price. You can flexibly set prices for group or private chats. The client's balance is always visible, which encourages them to top up their account. The client can easily send tips, view show info, or add performer to favorites. A function for quick transition to private chat is also available. A simple and clear interface for communication that supports text, emojis, and other features. Now we move to the most important part, the performer's dashboard. This is the control center for their earnings and content. Just like for the customer, there are demo credentials for the performer. Login, model, password, model. After authorization, the performer enters their private, intuitive dashboard. Performer registration is a multi-step process that ensures legal compliance and data completeness for your business. In the first step, the performer fills in basic account details and their screen name, which will be visible to customers. A critically important point, the performer must agree to the terms and conditions and confirm that their images may be used publicly. This shields you from legal risks. Here, complete personal information is collected for verification and tax purposes. Full name, address, date of birth, and taxpayer ID, or SSN. This is necessary for Know Your Customer compliance and financial requirements. The questionnaire allows the performer to fully populate their profile, which helps customers find them through categories and filters. Here they specify categories, physical parameters, and social media. An important function for the performer's comfort, the ability to block visitors by country, state, city, or even IP address. We give the performer full control over their audience. And finally, payee information. The system requires filling in all necessary financial details. This is the performer dashboard, a unified control center. Here, the performers see their profile and has instant access to all tools. The most important thing, the Go Live button. Maximally simple broadcast start. In 2 clicks, the performer is live and starts earning. The finance and statistics section gives the performer full control. Transactions, payouts, and stats. The performer easily manages all their content, uploading and selling photos and video, and creating fan club offers. This is diversification of revenue streams. Through the prices section, the performer can set the cost of their chats. We provide an expanded set of add-ons, appointments, events, mobile broadcasting, and even AI tools integration. The current payout percentage. You can set different commissions for different performers. This transparency motivates performers to work on your platform. This is the performer's broadcast page. The intuitive interface gives full control over the broadcast in real time. The performer instantly sees key metrics, the number of viewers and guests, and earned funds in the current session. This is immediate motivation. On the left are tools for interaction management, free chat, group and private chat, and even whiteboard for interactive content. Tip goal allows the performer to set a tipping target, encouraging viewer donations. The pause function allows the performer to temporarily interrupt the stream. Note the detailed monetization settings. Allow group, private, voyeur chat. The performer decides which services to offer during the broadcast. Built-in technical tools allow the performer to manage sound, volume, ensuring high-quality streaming. At the bottom, the performer sees last tips to thank clients and a field to send messages in the chat. All important functions are at their fingertips. We are now entering the admin panel. Here, you gain full, centralized control over every aspect of the platform. The most important thing for the owner is statistics. In this block, you see all metrics. You make data-driven decisions. Complete management of your client base. You can manage customers, view the history of all transactions. Manage performers. You control monetization through tariff rates and regulate safety using chat logs and the bad words filter. This is the key to the white label solution. You can configure the entire site, integrate payment engines, create payment packages, manage domains and languages. Scrile Stream is not just a website. It is a fully ready-made, scalable, and controlled business awaiting your launch. We have provided you with all the tools for success. Start your stream video business today.